In this video, I'm going to show you how to play 2v2 in Clash Royale. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. To play 2v2 in Clash Royale, navigate to the Events tab and select the 2v2 option. You can then choose to play with a friend, a clan mate, or a random teammate. Alternatively, you can access 2v2 through clan friendly battles. Here is a more detailed breakdown. Accessing 2v2, open Clash Royale and go to the main menu, tap on the Events tab, then select the 2v2 option. You can choose your teammate from random teammate or friend clan mate or friendly battle. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.